Hey guys, and we have unboxing images of the Samsung S26 Ultra coming in from the internet. So first thing first, we have a new box design with the phone name written on the top left, so Galaxy S26 Ultra in this case, and the phone's camera schematic on top of the box. This is the black color finish of the S26 Ultra, and again, a similar design like the S25 Ultra, but with a Z Fold and S25 Edge-like pail-shaped camera module. The corners are now slightly more roundish than the S25 Ultra, but still is boxy, still is flat, so looks premium. First look at the Galaxy S26 Ultra privacy display in action, and Samsung is using FlexMagic Pixel technology for an AI privacy display which can hide or blur notifications from people peeking from the sides while keeping the content fully visible for the user. That's next-level innovation right there. Here's a teaser video from Samsung showing how the S26 series anti-peeping feature works. The best part is you'll have an option to hide the entire screen or only a specific portion of the display, like notification or when entering a PIN or password. Here are latest images of the Samsung S26 Ultra in all four exciting color finishes. The front has a 6.9-inch display with anti-reflective coating on top, a score camera setup, 200-megapixel main, a super wide-angle lens, a 5x zoom periscope shooter, and a 3x zoom telephoto camera with some supporting sensors. Samsung claims it is the brightest camera in the Galaxy lineup ever, and it can capture better and brighter low-light photos and videos. Galaxy AI will now be able to restore missing parts of objects in images, like a bite taken out of a cake, generate stickers out of photos, and seamlessly merge multiple photos into one cohesive image. This has been inside in a 5,000 mAh battery with 60 watts of fast charging. Some promo images of the Galaxy S26 Ultra coming in from X. I cannot show it to you because of Samsung, but the thing to note is the battery is still 5,000 mAh, and the shocking part is they still claim 31 hours of video playback battery life, which is same as the last-gen flagship. So no to less improvement in terms of the battery. So decent specs, I would say. And this with One UI 8.5 and Galaxy AI icing on top makes it overall an amazing device. The initial Geekbench scores are decent. 3,455 single-core score and 11,621 multi-core score. It's based on 2nm process, so could be even more power efficient than the 8 Elite Gen 5. Your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.